we gon' make it all the way. We don't care what they all will say. Don't listen to the hate, no, listen to my weight.
Welcome to my brand new unboxing of the XFX AMD Radeon RX 5700XT triple display 8 gigabytes with a 1755 game clocking speed boost up to 1905 and a 14 memory speed clock. It's capability of 8K resolution. I don't think I'm ever going to get that far up there. Stream process 2560. Kind of ripped the box there because I could not get the sticker off there. Okay, what's in here now? It is 13 inches long, so make sure your motherboard can handle that, or your case. Later on, you'll see why I said that. It's got Radeon Boost in there, VR compatible, FreeSync compatible, Radeon RAID audio. Nice little box. Okay. Center-eyes, yep. And then we have nothing. I forgot my magazine. Oh well. And we have the warranty card. Yep. Okay. Yep. Instructions. Found out the instructions had nothing to do with this card. It was something else. Okay. Stop. Driver in there. I've already have an AMD 480 in here. Power cables, just in case you do not have a dedicated cables, it does have the Molex cable and a newer cable setup. So you don't have to worry about that. So that's always good. Okay, let's get the beast out of here. Nothing, nope, nothing else. Okay, let's get a nice little table going here. Alrighty then. Oh, look at this beauty. 3 fans. Nice little air-cooled vents. Nice backplate. I like having backplates on there. It looks a lot cleaner. It does have a switch on here. I'm not quite for sure what the switch is for. I haven't found it anywhere yet. If you do, leave a comment. Has 3 display ports and 1 HDMI port. So you can hook up 4 TVs at one time, and with the new Radeon software, you can have all matching design. Well, that's it for this. Thanks for watching. If you continue watching, I'll install it. Talk to you later. Bye. Alright, now we're going to try to install this big old beast in here. As you can see, I'm outside, 95 degrees out here, not bad. A little windy, so I got the sound on the mute. I'm doing a voiceover for, I'm always afraid I'm going to break this. Alright, unplug it. Too bad there's only one cable here. Just realized. Oh, that's right. It's got that security tab on here. Oh, mind the big old hands. Don't know why the camera went doo-doo-doo. Now this is the old XFX RX-480 reference card. I picked it up used a couple years ago, so they had a water cooler on there. That's why there's tape on there. But it's been used. I mean, I've had it for, like I said, 3 years almost. Alright, now I gotta make sure, see if I can get this off. I had a hard time getting these things off because I didn't want to peel anything off that needed to be there. Then I realized it was just a flat black. Because there's no RGB lighting at all on this card, which is nice. The only thing they have is 2 little blue dots that says, hey, yep, power, congratulations. There we go, and it rips. Come on. There we go. Ugh. There we go. That is just shiny. Love backplates. Just makes it look more beautiful. I did notice I forgot 2 spots when I stuck it in there. I saw it right off the bat when my fans kicked on. I saw a glare. I'm like, no, there shouldn't be no glare there. So I ended up had to take it all out again and peel it off. Alright, this is where I'm talking about. I only have probably less than a ½ an inch, but it's great for fans. Yeah, I forgot there was a slipper on there. So my intake fans from the front goes directly into the CPU cage. Yeah, it's tilted. Come on, moron. What am I doing wrong? Oh, I know what I'm doing wrong. This is a big boy, so I need 2 spots free. That's a 1. Come on. And of course, this killer motherboard has a little ramp on the back, a little white frame there that goes up a little bit, so I can't get to it too much. So, okay, come on, get in there. Push, push, push a little bit. There we go. Snap, snap, crack. No, I'm just joking. Unfortunately, I only have 1, so here we go. Time to come on. Yeah, I'm gonna have to flip it around. Oh yeah, before I flip it around, I gotta attach it. Duh. Gotta make sure it doesn't fall out. Alright, now put that stupid security thing on here. I forgot about these caps. Might as well do the caps and time lapse. There we go. Like I said, the display port, HDMI port, and a display port. Why they have that one in the middle, I have no clue. Make sure you, because for some reason the bike kept on tilting. See, it tilts. So I had to make sure it's perfectly synced up for some reason. And we gotta put this protective case on, which does not like to lock in for some reason. There we go. Now, I'll show you my beautiful case management, cable management. Okay, camera, focus, focus. Hey, 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 yo, focus. Nope, nope. What it is the white background and the trees flipping around. Okay. Yep, we have 1. Okay, what? Yep, we only have 1 left. So this must be my cable I need. Okay, put that aside. Camera focus. Let's get this white background with the tree flipping around so the camera stops freaking out on us. Okay. There we go. Look at that. Nice and smooth and clean. That gets a thumb up. Yeah. Now you get to see the horror. And then, yeah, don't see, don't watch, don't look. Fast forward this. Ah, look at that management. Okay, someplace in there is. Yeah, I know, really. Someplace in there is. Okay, there's 1 cable. Where's VGA? Yep, there's VGA. Okay, wait a minute here. I'm missing 2. Where's the other 2? Oh, there it is. There we are. And there we go. Now I figured this out. I see square, 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 round, round. Nope, I can't figure it out. Why is that working? Oh, it's upside down. I had a heck of a time because you can only put it 1 way, so which is nice. This wire kept on turning on me. There we go. And we slide it up in there without provocation. And then we flip it around, make sure we got it up. There we go. The screw tried to run away. Did you see that? Trying to run away. If I lost one of those on the grass, I'd be like, oh crap. Okay, let's see. Gotta try to get this in there without blocking too much of the vent of that one. Go this way, this way, this. Nope. See my error in my way right there? I pulled the cable out. I should have left the cables in. Okay. You get back in there, you get back in there. There we go. Just joking. I didn't hit it. These screws don't quite fit in there for some reason. It's probably because I bulged it out with the cable a little bit, but hey. No one ever sees this side except now. Make sure the cable, because I saw some of the cables were a little wobbly. There we go. Everything's intact. Everything's intact. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now, we push a little bit in there. Don't want to pinch those wires. That's the fan box. There we go. Beautiful. Then of course I had that stupid magnet. There we go. Alrighty then, let's fasten this down. Alrighty then, thumb screws, gotta love them. Alrighty then, flip it around. Now remember I told you I saw my mistake? This is my mistake right here. I'm like, wait a minute. I tried to pull a little bit, but it quite didn't work. So I had to redo the whole thing later on. And so you can see me carefully pulling. Just get a little inch. I don't know why. It was like upside down, sideways. Come on. There we go. Unfortunately, I found out that the clasps on the ribbons are all messed up. Okay, there we go. And of course I didn't have any more tags to zip tie it, so I zip tied it up later on. Thanks for watching. If you hit this spot, comment down below nice work. Check out the links, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.